The whole idea started when I started collecting sentences from women, where I asked them what was the sentence that impacted them in their childhood that they were told and that made them act in a certain way unconsciously. And the whole thing made me think about the sentence that impacted me in my childhood and that stuck with me and made me act in a certain way. It took me some time to figure out what it was. For me it was "Don't be so emotional," which was the sentence that in a way made me hide my emotions, made me not deal with them. I decided to write "Don't be so emotional" in stone because it's a hard labor, and as they say, what's written in stone cannot be broken. Then I break it to liberate myself from the pain and the heaviness that that sentence made on me. I always hope that my work can make people think that the other way is possible. That there is only not one way, there is not one thinking, there is not one feeling, You can change, everything can change, and it's just about seeing the other angle on stuff.